It is our great pleasure to recognize and honor the exceptional accomplishment of our Devites who have demonstrated remarkable dedication, perseverance, and excellence in their respective fields. Here we present you the first prize winners. James Rinosh Matam of 5B has titled Promising Player of the Badminton Championship Cluster 10. Vaishnav MR of 4F has secured for Under 11 All Kerala Open Chess Fest. Paxton Joseph of 4A has secured for Under 10 Rising Stars State Level Tennis Tournament Coimbatore. V. Parshuram Junior Tennis Challenge Under 12 Kerala Open Mini Tennis Tournament Under 10 and Under 8. Sean J. Tuttle of 5B has secured for CBSE State Kaloltsav Category 2 Malayalam Recitation. Next, we have the winners of CBSE Cluster 10 Athletics Championship. Emmanuel George Santosh of 10C has secured for Under 17 Boys 100 meters. Abhijit S. Bobby of 9A has secured for Under 17 Boys 400 meters. Steve Paul Wilson of 9B has secured for Under 17 Boys Triple Jump. Devmata team has secured Under 17 Boys for 400 meters relay. Mitra Lakshmi KS of 10C has secured the individual state level championship in Under 17 Girls category, Under 17 Girls 100 meters and long jump. Devmata school team has secured for Indian Nepal SG ADF International Yogasana Championship 2024. Seraphin Maria of 7B has secured Kerala State Sports Yogasana Championship. Here are the winners of CBSE State Kaloltsav. George Elson of 6E has secured Best Actor Award for English One-Act Play. Rosalina Ain Benny of 10B has secured for Bharatanatyam and Folk Dance. Maithili Manigandan of 10D has secured for Otantullal. Adrija Sibi of 9C has secured for Mappilapattu. Flavia Merin Binu of 10F has secured for PowerPoint presentation. Milaiva El Kolonur of 9D has secured for PowerPoint presentation. Dhananjay Previn of 10D has secured State Level Brilliant Science Olympiad and he was placed in top 100 students from CBSE Trivandrum region in Aryabhatta Ganit Challenge 2024. Sissy George of 10C has published a book named Random Thoughts.
Amal Madhu of 11F has secured gold medal in CBSE South Zone Boxing Championship. Ashwiga Sanchayan Vyed of 11G has secured 3 gold medals in CBSE South Zone 2 Archery Championship. Destin Joby of 11G has secured CBSE Cluster 10 Athletics Championship for Under 19 Boys Triple Jump, Under 19 Boys Long Jump and the individual champion in the Under 19 Boys category. Yadi Krishna R of 11B has secured Kerala Rifle Shooting Championship. The winners of State CBSE Kaloltsav, the team of Nivit Nirmal of 12F and Anthony Roy of 12F has secured for the PowerPoint presentation. Devmata school team has secured for the English One-Act Play in the CBSE State Kaloltsav. Avantika R. Pradeep of 11G has secured the Best Actress of English One-Act Play and Under 19 Girls Singles Table Tennis. And she has also secured the Nritya Pragya Award and cash prize. Bama KS of 11E has published a book, Welkins, an anthology of poems, awarded at Kerala Sahitya Academy, Thrissur.
The winners of CBSE Cluster 10 Table Tennis State Level Championship. The team Samanyu Prashant Topil of 5E, John Thomas of 8F, Stephen Thomas of 5A, Nitin Baston of 8F has secured for Under 14 Boys. The team Advait Palikal Sajid of 9F, Vaishnav Raj Menon of 9E, Joel John Paul of 8B has secured for Under 17 Boys. The team Caitlin S of 6E, Anne Besto of 7A, Hail Maria KR of 6B, Michelle Thomas of 7D has secured for under 14 girls. The team Maria Days of 9E, Catherine Rose Nixon of 9A, Ishanika R. Pradeep of 8F, Catherine Rinto Moylan of 9C has secured for under 17 girls. The team Avantika R. Pradeep of 11G, Elaine Alfie Ashish of 7D, Catherine J. Akara of 7A, Naina T. Dev of 8D has secured for under 19 girls. Advait Palekal Sajid of 9F has secured for under 17 boys singles. Maria Days of 9E has secured for under 17 girls singles. Now we have the special achievements of our teachers. Mr. Prince Francis, the physical educator, has set a world record in cricket by scoring 200 runs from 73 balls in an official T20 match. Miss Raji Baby, the senior secondary teacher, has awarded the best teacher by Kerala Commerce Forum. Miss Phoebe Paul C., the senior secondary teacher, has awarded the Excellence Award in Teaching, honoured by Christ College of Engineering, Irinalakuda. The awardees of SSCT Teachers Excellence Award 2024, Miss Susan Paul of Primary Section, Miss Cicely VG of Secondary Section, and Miss Smita VS of KG Section. The achievement prizes we presented today are a testament to the hard work, commitment, and passion for our outstanding gems of Devamata.